Assalamu alaikum. There is no upper make $1 billion sale in just 18 hours. But question is how brand. People think buy without any hesitate or brand because they trust on them. In this video, I will try to make a brand from zero. Of course, I will not show every little kind of thing what to do like that. But in the end, you will understand how the pipeline workflow is come. And of course, this is my inspiration type of video. So hopefully it there is bad. So step number one, the most important step, client belief and the brand guidelines. In that step, our client give us brand guidelines, what kind of the brand they want, and the vibe, the color, and even the story of the brand, what they kind of sell or that's it. And the most important thing, our target audience. This thing is very critical. You have to understand. And the brief give us a clear introduction where to have to start, and we can make our decision on that kind of brief. The step number two is research and inspiration. Because this is a very huge industry of brand, and we have to understand our competitor, what kind of branding, marketing technique they are using, and what kind of color, white, font, and logos they are using. And people just attract that. I mean, we have to make them kind of similar, but a difficult character, And that's it. That suppose it should be creative. So, step number three, mood board. Here we just take our some kind of inspiration, mood board, whatever. We just put in some in mood board and just send over to make our to client where he just decide he love that kind of color, he just want that kind of thing. So this give us as inspire what kind of inspirational board. But step number four, one of the most and fun time demo guys. In that step, we are just designing a logo from Silate. Logo design is a very critical thing for brand because I think personally it's the face brand and tell a lot of personality of the brand. So the first step I guess is to just do sketches for me. I guess I do some help sketches and do some exploration. Of course, I will keep in mind the brand guideline in my mind, the target audience, the how I want to see people that kind of brand. Step number four, product design, social media, campaign, marketing, whatever you want. I mean, whatever you are more confident on that things. But my case, I am using just a product case, a product design because I really want to how look our product and our brand. Just look at the mock-up so it looks like in the end. So I just do some kind of product design like pet, so they can I guess hoodie. And I also design some kind of pattern design because pattern design is a huge part of the branding and packaging design. So you can do the repetition. I also do some packaging design. That's little and minimalist kind of. I really love that pattern. So step number five, final view again. But this is, and I hope you like and enjoy. This is a very simple, very clear, and just for making this video for those that people want to start, make their person brand review.
They say life will bring discomfort, and I discovered we all just suffer cause no one feels that bad. And it comes from one another, we hurt each other just like